Every time I hold a mic in Bangalore, I have a confusion. What language should I speak in? So I'll try my best. 3 BHK is releasing on July 4th in Tamil and Telugu. So I'll speak one line Tamil, one line Telugu throughout the speech. Okay? అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మా 3 BHK కుటుంబానికి ఇంత ప్రేమ చూపించినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. நாங்க சென்னையில இருந்து உங்களை மீட் பண்றதுக்கு குடும்பத்தோட வந்திருக்கோம். அந்த குடும்பத்துல ஒவ்வொரு மனுஷனும் ஸ்பெஷல். వాళ్ళని మనం కలిస్తే బాగుంటుంది.